Okay, I have this game and I want to build it into my phone. Okay, and you have to download it. I put the link in the description. Okay, I am going to plug my phone into the PC. Okay, Control Shift B and refresh, select my phone and build and run. Okay, debug, save. Okay, it's going to build my game. Okay, you see this error here. This is because Unity is not able to install the build APK into your phone. So what you do, you build again, you search it. The way to not build it and just install the APK is this. Copy this command here and open a terminal and paste it. Okay, hit enter. And installation failed because we don't have enough space. Okay, let me just delete something from my phone. So I will have some space. Okay, now I have some space. Let's try it again. And let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, it failed again. Install storage. Okay, I think I'm gonna need to uninstall something else. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, success, and the app is now installed on my phone. That's how you install your game on the phone without building it again. Thanks for watching.